Although this paint is an all-in-one, so the top coat is also included, I decided to use a clear wax over the entire piece. And this was not so much for protection, because as I mentioned already, it has the top coat included, but it was to provide a base coat for some darker wax. And here's a quick tip. Whenever you want to highlight details with the darker wax, be sure to use a clear wax first. And the reason being is if you're unaccustomed to working with wax and you're the dark wax can seem very intimidating. I know every time I used to put on, when I first started painting furniture, every time I started putting on a dark wax, I think my heart would stop because I think, oh, I'm going to ruin it. Oh my gosh, it's intimidating. So to get over that fear, all you have to do is use your clear wax first. Then use your dark wax. In this case, I added a gray wax to the details and then wiped back the excess. And this way, if you make a mistake, all you have to do is dip a soft cloth into the clear wax and use it as an eraser. And the dark wax will come right off. It's like magic. So just always remember, if you're, a little hesitant to dark wax, put a clear wax on first, then your dark wax, and if a mistake is made, just put a little bit of clear wax on a cloth and erase that dark wax right off. It works like magic.